All right, it's James and JP with Realty Executives. We're going to show you how to reset the garage remote for most garage door openers. So if you have a problem or you have to change a battery in your garage remote, you got to go up here and look at the actual instructions on the garage remote. If that'll focus in, I don't know. Basically it says press and release receiver learn button, which over here it says learn button, and release it. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the remote. All right. When the opener light flashes, release remote button, which I did. Now it's reset, folks. So again, your instructions are right here generally. Your reset or learn button is right here. Hold the remote close. Just in case your neighbor's remote crazily starts opening your garage door, that's how you fix it.